Hello at Ask IT. Today we will discuss how to ensure IIS 7 is installed. As usual, IIS any version code tracing is working by writing HTTP new URL HTTP local host. So we are going to IIS 7. And just click here and click here. I delete all the files under sites. Okay, if you find any folders, I delete it by myself. Okay, so add website and write it all you, and this is my computer name, db2 admin, or you could call it administrator. Okay, and we will find my document. In my document we will create a new folder. We will call it u2. We will call it u2. Okay, u2, and we just one of most important steps in IIS 7 to define the connect as, to define your computer, as you will make it your web server, your computer web server, to test any file by ASP or PHP or HTML. So any web service you will create, so you will specify the user, that is me, that's my computer. Okay, I will write my computer name, my username, and my password. Okay, it's created. Second most important steps is directory browsing. Here, enable, and waiting till it will be disabled here. Okay, that's we enable our site. Okay, we are going to my document and u2, and we will create a file. I will create maybe ASP or HTML. I will create an HTML. Okay, by an easy way. Okay, text document and write you test u dot html. It is very important to change our extension. If you told me you have no extensions in your computer, that we will only stand here any place in this page. Okay, and say organize, folders, search and option, view, and here hide extensions for known file type. Just check here for hide extensions for known file or type, so the extension will appear. Okay, here like that, here like that. Okay, apply. Okay, okay, so here we will write something in the HTML page. Okay, okay, and here, okay, hit, and here, hit, title, here if you want to change the title. Okay, so we'll call it Titan. Okay, and if we need to change our head, we'll call it tool. Okay, here the body, and the most important thing which we write in the body of the page, which will appear in the page, and we call it body. That's the most important for body. Okay, and we say H1. I think it's H1, and we say IIS 7 is working. Okay, okay, here. Okay, manage website, and here browse, and it will open the folder, and it will call test.u, or the file test.u or webcam config. We will click on our file. Here IIS 7 is working, and Titan is my title of the page, and here the head is we call tool. Understand that the head is a virtual place in the top of the page here to write something, and I write tool only. Okay, and that's the body IIS 7. What if we don't write the connect? We don't have to delete this website and restart from the scratch. Okay, no, we just only make this manage advanced settings and go to cardinality and make here specific user and put my computer. Okay, okay, thank you to let me teach you something about IIS 7.